Hello everyone, welcome to our 5th video in our video series on creating your first blog website. In this video we're going to be talking about creating your first gallery. So we're going to have header 1 denoting gallery. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add our div tag to separate out our gallery items. So we're going to have our starting and ending div tag as our container. Inside of here we want to add our image. So we're going to do image src, and then we're going to go to our images directory. Then we're going to pick our Amalfi Coast.jpg image, and then what we're going to do is we're going to close that tag. We're going to add our paragraph as a caption, and in here we're going to write, we're just going to copy and paste the same text that we had. And then we're just going to press enter there just so it looks nicer on our editor. And then we're going to close our paragraph there. So we're not quite there yet. So once we refresh the page, we're going to have our picture and our caption, but obviously this isn't the right look for a gallery. So we're going to go to our CSS. We're going to create a gallery class down here after our blog entry. So we're going to do dot gallery. So this is going to be referring to the entire gallery as a whole. So all of our gallery items are going to be inside of it. So our gallery is going to have our margin left auto. It's going to be centered. It's going to be margin right auto as well. We want it to have our position to be relative to everything else, and our width to be 85% of the page. So obviously this isn't going to show up yet because we haven't, assigned this class to anything yet. So we're going to add our div container. We're going to add our div container that'll provide for our gallery item, for our gallery as a whole. So this is going to be the whole gallery, while the div container inside of there will be our gallery item. So there's going to be multiple gallery items within this whole gallery. So this div will be class, and we're going to set it to gallery, and our div inside there will be class, and then it'll be gallery item. So we're going to save that, and we're going to go to our myblog.css. We're going to make a new class, gallery item, and do our curly braces. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add our position to be relative to our gallery. We're going to make our display inline block, so they're all in one line, each of our gallery items. We want our background color to be our F1, 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 our light gray color that we've been using. We're going to have our width be 20%, so we still have some leftover space in between our items. We want to then have a what we're going to do is we're going to add our margin left to be 5 pixels, and margin right to be 5 pixels. So this is going to give 5 pixels on either side. We're going to add padding. There's going to be 20 pixels around each item. We're going to change our border radius. So we're going to have that 10 pixels so it looks curved around all sides. So we see that we have some semblance of a gallery item now, but we still aren't there yet. So what we're going to do now is we're going to change our image settings. So we're going to go to our image, and we're going to change our width to 100%, meaning 100% of our div container, not 100% of the page. Same thing with our height, 100 pixels, sorry. So our 100% width-wise of our container, and our height will only be 100 pixels. So next what we want to do is we're going to add header 3 in here. So we're just going to title our gallery item. So it's going to have Amalfi Coast H3. So it's going to look like that. So we're going to edit our CSS for H3 so that we can just have it look better. So H3, and we're going to have the similar thing we've had before, and copy and paste that into here. And we're going to set this, we're going to create a class for a paragraph, and we're going to do paragraph dot caption. So that's going to be class caption specified for only paragraph. We're going to have our text align be center, and we're going to have our font family be equal to sans serif as well. So we're going to have class equal to caption. So as you can see, our gallery item just looks a lot more visually appealing now. What we want to do now is we're going to actually make our heading larger just to make it look a little bit better. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this gallery item so that we can have multiple copies of this for all of our Angular pictures. We're going to just change this to Grand Canyon. Change that to Hawaii. So this is just going to be a slow process of changing previous things to match the correct information. So bear with me here. So I'm going to change this to Santorini, and so you can see now we have a bunch of gallery items with our title, our picture, and then our caption. You can manipulate this how you'd like, and now you have a fully functional blog website. So we hope you found these series of videos helpful. Be sure to check out our other series. Thank you.